Ni.
Apa surprise dia? Tambah kamu duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, manga Melvin Mukim, naka film Lyngkha beneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sien ka film ha ususu tham auditorium naruga kapra tarik adu laipuai tarik ubanai jemang. Kipor kilong kanar baje mensngi, baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Turmen banyak kendu biang yepi sashi sien.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki Karbi, kila Kawang di ki Bilor Pait, Lyngkha rep ban khanglat, iki nong rep kasnong Lapangap, bagin tur sikjaka rep kebedon kaput kasnong Tahpat. Kini gelajah, hakat projek ujemang arah jarak pun riu, kat bagi nong rep ringkat ke jinsendan lang jong ki Pulit, kila temu banit rep Lyngkha. Henry, ki kat tu kat ni ki Karbi, kila khanglat ki nong rep ke Lapangap, tak ke Kawang dek Lyngkha Bilor, belapen Pait kenang, bat siat ru dak jeri syakal yang badon ki nong rep. Ka jinong jiman ha kasnong Lapangap ha kan digasngi. Lasaki bagi Pulit Assam ki botau ketem ha ulum pentor kasnong Lapangap kla Tehlakam hi ki nong rep ki bade ki penar bat hi Karbi ki botau jingkol mar.
Cocok ibu deh.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.